All right, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Candy Girl CC, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Thank you so much for returning back to my channel. If you like my videos, please hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more from me, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to turn on those notifications so you know every time I post a new video. So let's just jump right into it. So this video is going to be a Skims unboxing, try on, and review. So I've actually should have did this video a long time ago. I've literally had this box sitting in my room for about 4 or 5 months. So hey, I mean, at least it's getting done now, and I've never opened it, and I was like, you know what, I should do something with this because I need to use it. I need it now, so I'm like, I might as well do the unboxing now. So yeah, so I made my purchase from Skims maybe April, maybe I have to check my receipts, I don't know, maybe April. And this is the item I bought here, so we're gonna open it up together. So the box, I wasn't really impressed with the box. I was like, coming from Kim Kardashian, I thought it would have like some kind of spectacular design on the outside of the box, but I guess if it's like a high desired item, you don't want the box to be too fancy, otherwise people will try to steal it, because I heard about people at the post office be stealing. Girl, so let me tell you. But anyway, so the box wasn't very fancy. Let's open it up. Let's see here, I guess I should have got some scissors. Okie dokie. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Here's my bill, of course. Let's see what I did and when I ordered it. Yeah, I ordered it back in April. So April 13th, 2020 is when I ordered. And I ordered the Core Control Thong in Umber and a large and extra large. Now, let me tell you, I would have preferred black. I don't think Umber's a black. Umber's like a dark color. But they were all sold out. So that's the thing about Skims, is like that it sells out super fast. So it was very hard. This was literally like one of the only colors I could find in my size. So it's not like one of the colors I would definitely go for. But hey, you gotta get in where you fit in. Oh, on the inside of the box has some design. See, it says Skims right there. Yes, it says Skims. Cool. So that says Skims. That's cute. We have this here, which is like, oh, it's the wrapping. Okay, that's cool. Just a little wrapping. Has all the little Skim shapewear on it in different colors, which is cute. Everybody's on the really skinny though. I need some thicker people. But I'm not knocking Kim because she does have some thicker models in her campaign. So, you know, whatever. But it would have been nice to see some here for my little chunky ass. Thank you. Anyway, so this is the box it comes in. The Skims, as you've probably seen before. The Core Control Thong. This is pretty much what I ordered here. Has Skims in white. I also heard that some of her shapewear comes in like a black neoprene bag. I've seen that on some other YouTube reviews I was looking at. So that's one option, but obviously this one did not. So the recommended sizes, I did not go off the recommended sizes. I go off what I feel I would wear. So I'm pretty close though. So for a large, extra large, the waist is saying it should be 33 to 39 inches, and the hip should be 45 to 45.5 inches. Honestly, I'm like a 40-inch waist and a 50-inch hip. So we're gonna just pray that this still gives us the look that we're looking for, all right? So yeah, has a cute little, if you could see that right there, the little bum showing what you get, the little design right here. That's cute. Has the little see-through so you can see the color. On the back has all of the sizes. Oh, it's showing backwards. Small, medium, large, through. It goes all the way up to 4XL. From extra, extra small to 5XL is what it goes to. And let's take a look at it. Ew, I do not like this color. Okay. This color is definitely not one that I'm liking. So this is how it comes. It comes wrapped around a piece of cardboard like this. This is the cardboard here, okay? And this is the color Umber. It's like a nude but it's not my nude, as you can see. But like I said, it's the only color that they had in my size. This looks pretty small. This is a large, extra large, but it looks pretty small. Let me tell you, the top is very tight. The top is pretty tight, so it seems like it's gonna hold me in. The thong portion, it looks like it has a cotton layer in it. I've seen some videos where people were complaining about the cotton. I don't know if that's cotton or if that's whatever the material is. Let's see what the material says it's made of. So it's made of 78% nylon, 22% spandex. Machine wash cold, do not bleach, tumble dry low. So at least you could dry it. That's good. Yeah, I'm not in love with the color. No. But, I mean, for anything, I have tons of black high thigh shaper thongs, and so this will be just something different to have, I guess. Not in love with the color. But anyway, so it does have a non-slip band around the back. So I guess, so it doesn't slide down in the back. It doesn't have one in the front. That's the front. It doesn't have one in the front. So we'll see how that does. It's not very high. I thought it was going to be a little bit higher than what it's showing. You know, I have a lot to hold in there. So let's just hope that it'll be tall enough. I guess is the word. Tall enough. Tall enough is what I'm hoping for. The edges are like they're double sewn, so you can see that they're sewn really well. The edges look like they're gonna hold up pretty well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's try it on. So yeah, I wore this kind of see-through skirt so that you can see what it looks like before. You can see, if you can see the colors and everything. I have a little bit of pooch here, so of course you can see that. And yeah, just so you can get an idea of how it's actually going to sit when I put this on. So I will be right back. I'm just gonna squiggle into these guys really quickly, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I'm putting it on now, and this is quite a feat. Okay, it's on. Woo! I hope it's rolling down in the front. No, it's rolling down. I didn't want that. Okay, so let's look at it underneath my skirt first. Okay, so I have it all the way on now, and this is the difference. I mean, you know what? Side profile, I'm not really impressed. I mean, it's holding me in some, but I still feel kind of bloated up underneath it. I'm not really in love with this. I mean, the good thing is that the color, you can't see it underneath white, so that's good. Yeah. Let me just pull this down so I can see some. So this is what it looks like on. And it's rolling. Yeah, that's a pet peeve. Like, I get super annoyed when it rolls. So I don't know if that means this is too small, or it probably means it's too small. So, and yeah, it's like seriously rolling. Like, maybe I should have got one size up. It was quite a feat to get in this thing. My thong portion actually feels good. That's what I'm more worried about, is when I sit down, am I going to have like the wedgie of my life? And the thong feels good. Let me sit down. Oh yeah, it's nice and stretchy. I feel a little tension down there, but it's nice and stretchy, so I could actually wear this all day. It'll be fine. So yeah, it just rolls down too much. So I don't know. I guess I mean, I wear large, extra large in pants. So I feel like, and I'm, like I said, I'm about 36, 38, 40, 50. And I'm like, So yeah, still looking a bit pregnant, still rolling down. Not really in love with it. The back, so you can see, the back does feel good. However, the back does feel good. That's really important. Like I said, is that the thong does not chafe and give me the worst wedgie I've ever experienced. I have some shapers, I love them to death. They hold me into well, but I literally cannot sit down in them. So yeah, well, I don't know. I'm going to chop this one up as I bought a size too small. That's what I'm going to chop it up. So next time I'm going to buy the, what size is next? The 2X, 3XL, which doesn't make me feel good on the inside, but basically if I want to actually get some wear out of something like this, I'm going to have to just bite the bullet and buy the bigger size. So yeah, that's it. It's rolling. I don't like that. I've never had that happen to me in any of my shapewear. It usually just holds me right up. Even when I have some that I have bought like when I was like 50 pounds lighter, and it still does not roll down. So yeah, not feeling that at all. It feels good on, like I said, I'm really happy the crotch doesn't chafe, but yeah. This color is Umber. Again, you can't see it through white, which is good. You can't really see it through white, which is nice. I mean, it holds me in some. It does hold me in some. But not as much as I would like it to. So if this is how much the XL holds me in, I don't think the 2XL is going to hold me in too much more either. Anyway. So on the scale of thong shapers, I'm going to give it like a 6, maybe a 7. Like I said, it's comfortable. The thong portion is comfortable. The material is good. Not in love with the color. That was all that was available. And it's rolling down on me. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. So yeah, so it gets a 6. All right, well, that's it, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this review of the Skims. I'm gonna give the, what is it again that I ordered? Core Control Solution Wear, the Core Control Thong and Umber large, extra large, a 6, maybe a 7, 6.5. Let's say 6.5. I'm gonna give it a 6, 6.5. As a matter of fact, I should actually do a video on like battle of the thong shapers, because I have some cheapy weepy brands that are actually okay. Oh yeah, how much did I pay for this? I paid $24. That's what the box says. Let's see what my receipt says. I paid $24 for this. Oh no, it says 36 here. Well, it says 24 in the box and it says 36 on my receipt. So I probably paid $36. So yeah, I paid $36 and I'm not in love with it. All right, that's it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, more reviews, or if you have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is your girl, Candy Girl CC.